Happy learning. In this video, we are going to discuss HTML text formatting tags. So text formatting tag. What is the use of text formatting tags? Text formatting tags, it will give you better visual appearance to text. It will give better look and feel to the text. So there are two types of text formatting tags in HTML. First one is physical tag. Physical tag, and next one is logical tag. That is, first one is physical text formatting tag, second one is logical text formatting tags. So physical text formatting tag, what is the use of physical text formatting tag? It will give you visual appearance to text. This tag, physical tags, will give you physical appearance, that is visual appearance. It provides visual appearance, better visual appearance. Appearance to text. Then logical tag. Logical tag is used to add some logical or semantic values. Logical or semantics. Semantics value to text. So logical or physical. There are two types of, we can categorize within in this two category, physical tag and logical tag. So what are the text formatting tags are available? Almost 14 tags are available. The first one is B tag, bold text. You can display text in bold. Then strong, it will give you importance for that particular tag. It will emphasize the important. So B and strong both will display the text in bold font size, bold font. Okay, the both B and strong. While looking into the two tags, the content between those tags will appear in bold. Then what is the difference? This bold text will come under, that is physical tag. Physical tag. Physical content between that tag, bold tag, will appear in bold. Then important, this is logical tag. So it will inform the browser, this tag will inform the browser the importance of that particular text. That is strong. It will emphasize that particular text. It has some important meaning. So this is logical tag, that is physical tag. The same here also. Italic, it will display the content in italic font. The content between I tag will be displayed in italic font. Emphasize also will display the text in italic font. This is italic tag will come under physical tag. This is logical tag. This is logical tag. Logical tag, so it emphasizes the text. That means it gives some importance to that text. It will highlight the text. It gives some semantic meaning, values. It will add some meaning. It will inform the browser about the importance of that particular text. So this is the demo program we have. So demo text formatting tag. I have written HTML program starting HTML tag and end with HTML tag, opening and closing tag. In between I have head section and body section. Head section I have included title tag, text formatting tags in HTML. Then body tag I have three tags, H1 and two paragraph tags. H1 and two paragraph tags. In H1 I have given heading as text formatting tags in HTML. Paragraph I have written some content between those tags. All is well, happy morning, do well. Demo HTML program for text formatting tag in HTML. So totally three tags I have added. Now I am going to run this program, demo HTML. This is the content, what we are going to display. Text formatting tags in HTML. This is heading, H1. Then two paragraph I have displayed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use text formatting tags. The first one is B tag. So I want to make this happy morning as bold. So I'll include this text between B tag. Between B tag. B is used for bold. So bold font. If you want to display some content in bold, then you have to include those content in between opening and closing of B tag, that is bold tag. Now in inside paragraph I'm going to include I'm going to make some text as bold. So if you want to make entire text as bold, you can separately, no need to, this is nesting tag within another tag. I don't want to include this bold tag within paragraph tag. So what I can do, I can use bold directly. Then I can type some text. Good morning. Good morning. Now you have to save this file. Going to run this file. So this is the good morning. See, the first I have added some text between bold B tag. So good morning, it is in bold. Then here, see the difference. Then this is in a paragraph. Within that paragraph, I want to make some text as bold, so I have used B tag inside that paragraph tag. The next one is what I am going to do. If I remove this one, that will also will work. See here. So we have inserted some tags. Bold tag within paragraph tag. That is also possible. Okay. Next is, what is next? Next is I can use this is the first tag, bold. The next one is strong. I'm going to use strong tag. So here I can use strong instead of bold. Strong. I'm going to use strong. Both will work. The visual appearance will be same. It will display content between opening and closing tag, that is strong tag. It's like bold. Okay, same as B tag. This is how B is physical tag, strong is logical tag. Now I'll save this program. I'm going to run this program to see the difference. See here, I'll close all the browser window. Now you see here, good morning, all is well, happy morning. Happy morning, this text is enclosed between B tag, that is bold. Good morning, the content is enclosed within strong tag. If you want to see the difference, again I'll make some changes. I want to make this HTML as bold. I'll use strong tag opening and closing tag. Save your content. Now see here the same font, bold. Okay, bold font. Then next one is I tag and EM tag. I italic tag, it will display the content in italic font. Emphasize EM tag. So if you want to give some importance to that particular text within paragraph or some text, if you want to make the text as if you want to give some importance to the text, then you can use EM tag, I tag. Both the tags will display the content in italic format, italic font. So here I want to make this do well as italic. So I can include I opening and closing tag. So I want to make this as italic. The content between these two tags, opening and closing tag, that is I tag, italic tag. And now I can run this program. See here, it changed the content. See the difference? This is italic font, this is normal font. This is normal font. Okay, this is italic, this is normal. Then emphasize. Emphasize, I want to make this all is well emphasize. EM tag, that means we are going to give some importance to that text. I want to give some importance to the text. So EM tag, save this, all is well. The content is in between EM tag. Now, see, this is also italic, this is also italic. So if you want this happy morning is in bold, I want to make this, I want to give some importance, I want to emphasize that particular text. I can use either EM or I tag. So here I can give EM, emphasize, then closing tag. See here, already I have applied bold. It is in bold. I want to give some importance to this text. So I have used EM tag. Okay. The next one is underlining text. If you want to underline particular text within a paragraph, then I can use U tag. Then one more tag is there. Here I want to make this text all is well. I want to underline this text or good morning. So I can use U tag. U tag, that is underline. Text underline. I want to make that particular text. Underline that particular text. See here, good morning, the text. Then underline the particular text. I want to make only good and underline, not morning. Then I can use this U tag, closing tag here. Can save this file. Then I can run this file. See here, only good. In the previous example, both the text good and morning. Then now I have changed the program. So now only I want to give underline for first word good, not morning. So I have changed the program in such a way that only good. See here, U tag between good, opening and closing tag to indicate underline. Then strike. Strike means then one more tag, that is mark. Okay, then mark tag is there. What is the use of mark tag? Marked text. That means if you want to highlight that particular text, then I can use mark tag. So here I want to highlight this HTML. I want to highlight this HTML text. So I can use mark tag. M-A-R-K, mark. Then closing tag, mark. Closing tag, mark. I want to highlight that particular text. Highlighter, it is just like highlighter. If you want to highlight some text, we will use different colors in highlighter. Generally by default it will be in yellow color. If you want to highlight text, if you use PDF and other text document, if you want to highlight text, highlighter will be in yellow color, okay, by default. But if you want to change the color, then you can change the color of the highlighter. See, I want to mark this particular text HTML. So I have enclosed the content HTML in between mark tag. So it is highlighting that particular text. This is example for mark. Then small and big. What do you mean by small and big? It will display the content in smaller font, small font. So smaller font in the sense um, with respect to the default size. With respect to default size. So it will increase the font size by 1 unit from the base font size. It will increase the font size by 1 unit. So big. Big means it will increase the font size with respect to base unit. It increase the font size by 1 unit. 1 unit from base font size. So smaller, obviously it will decrease. It will decrease the font size by 1 unit from base font size. Okay. It will decrease. It will increase. Small will decrease. Big will increase the font size by 1 unit from base font size. That means default. We have some default font size. If you look into this, if you see here, this is default font size. So if you use small or big, it will increase the font size from the base unit. Default size. If it is 18 or 20, it will decrease the font size by 1, 19, 18. Accordingly, it will display the text. Here what I am going to do, demo HTML, I want to make this program as small. So I can use small font, small, then closing tag. Program for text formatting. I'll make this as small. Okay. We save this program. See here, program for text formatting. Comparing to demo HTML, because everything is in HTML paragraph tag. So the paragraph tag, it has some default font size. Now I have used small for only for the content program for text formatting in between paragraph tag. So in between paragraph tag, I marked some text as small. So I have enclosed the content. What is the content? Program for text formatting within small tag. So whenever I am including, it will decrease the font size by 1 unit from the base size. So this is the base size. It increased. It decreased. Now again I'll use one more small. Again it will decrease the font size. Again it will apply 2 times. Okay. See here again it decreases the font size. Now to see the difference, what is the difference between big and small? I am going to make this text as big. It will increase only text. Okay, only text within that small tag. So I'll see the difference. Here I have include big tag for text. I enclose the text. The text is within small tag. Now run this program. See the difference. This text is in, it increase the font size. See the difference. This text, comparing to program for formatting, it increased font size by 1 unit. It increased the font size by 1 unit. Now I'll apply this for big for. I'll increase one more paragraph. I include one more paragraph to see the difference. Only I'll put a, then paragraph. So again what I am going to do, again I will include big nested tag inside the big for text. Okay. Closing tag. See here the same format, this one, this is also same. Why? Because first I have applied small twice, again I applied big twice, so it will come to same text, same font size. Okay, this is with respect to small. The next one is delete and insert. It will include deleted text. It will include deleted text. It will include inserted text. So inserted text and deleted text, what is the difference? Inserted in the sense it will add underline to that particular text. Delete in the sense it will draw one line, that is strike. It will strike that particular content. Thin line, it will draw thin line which cross the statement, that is delete. This is insert. So to see the difference, here I am going to use del for EA. del delete, save this file. See, delete in the sense the content between the del tag, opening and closing tag, it will draw one thin line which cross that statement, particular statement. Here I have included between a 7 is, it's strike. Then next one is insert. Insert in the sense insert will insert that particular text. That means I am going to insert, it will draw underline within that text, underline that particular text. So if you save this program, and then you run this program, see here underline. If you want to make that particular text, if you want to underline that particular text, you can use insert tag, insert and delete tag. This is delete, del, this is ins, insert tag. The next one is subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript, we are familiar with equations. If we want to make that particular text above the half of the space and below the half of the space, then I can use subscript and superscript. So equation, this is paragraph, I'm going to write equation. Equation, it should be in the form of, see here, equation in the form of, this is the equation, example for equation. Equation x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square. So I'll use subscript and superscript. Okay, this is x square, this is y square. This is the equation. This is the difference. I want to write like this. That means that particular text content should be displayed half of the text above. That is called superscript. Then subscript. This is example for superscript. Superscript. Then subscript. Subscript. So for this, x1 plus y1. So I want to display this particular text. I want to display this particular text. This text below half of the line. So this is x1. This is y1 subscript. If you want to display content like this, then we have to use subscript and superscript. SUB and SUP. SUB means subscript. SUP means superscript. So here is content equation x1 plus y1 paragraph. I have written inside paragraph tag. So what I can do, if you want to make that particular content, so I will use superscript. This is closing tag superscript. Again the content SU superscript. Then this is superscript. Okay, so now I'll save this program. I'll run this. See here x1 y1 equal equation. If you are changing that content, if you are changing the content x square, if you want to do x2, that means x square y square. Save and run this. See x square, this is x square y square. It is displaying above. Okay, then now this text, only this particular text should be in superscript. Superscript. This is also superscript. Any content, not only number. You can display any content. Superscript. See here, this is superscript above the half of the line, normal text. Okay. Then subscript. Subscript. I want to display the content. What is that content? x1 and y1. X1 plus y1. It should be below the line. Below the line. Below the half of the normal text. Okay. Below that normal text. So what I can do, I can include subscript. Here also subscript. Closing tag between that content. I can save this file, and if you run this file, see the difference, x1 down, x1 down. So again, if you want to make one more text also down, again I can give UB superscript, subscript, again subscript. Save this file. If you are making any changes, you should save that particular content. Okay, this is with respect to subscript. Then two more tags are there, that is strike and TT. That means strike, it will strike that particular text. That means it will cross that particular statement. We have already discussed thin line, it will cross, that is delete. The strike is also another tag available in HTML, but HTML5 will not support strike. Then one more tag is the TT tag, that is monospace. This is strike. Another one is TT. That means whenever we are displaying text, W will be displayed in one size, and I will be displayed in different size. That is spacing. So monospaced font, it will display monospaced font. That means it provide similar space among every letter. Similar space among letter. So monospace. That's why it will maintain the same space for all letter. Because different letters will have different size. W will have some size, then L will be in different size, different width. If you use TT monospace, this tag is also not supported in HTML5. So here I can give demo HTML strike. Save this. So this HTML strike. So HTML5 will not support this tag. So here I have given after demo strike tag only for content HTML. So it put one line, that is it strike through the same. But HTML5 will not support this tag. Then one more tag is there, TT tag, monospace. So different characters have different width in HTML. So here formatting, it has I and F, then M. It will occupy different width. So I want to make it as everything similar space among every letter. It provides similar space among every letter, that is TT tag. HTML5 will not support this tag. So save this. Then if you run this program, formatting it changed. For all letters, it is following the same size, same width. For it, I also see, this is for F, all same. But when you see here T and S, you can see the difference between I and N. I smaller space width, this N bigger width. So smaller and bigger, because each letter in that particular text content, it will occupy different spacing in HTML. I want to make all the letters should occupy the same space, same width. Then I can use TT. Okay. Then I can use TT tag. So strike and HTML, these two tags, HTML5 will not support these two tags. Thank you. I think you all understood the concept. Thank you very much.